Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to get user input. I have started with a few lines of code. If we can execute it, we'll get the result, this result. Now we can use variable. For example, name input, enter your name. We can use anything here. But since the variable is name, we are asking name from user. Age, input, enter your age. Next line, GPA. GPA equal to input, enter your GPA. Now we have to use this variable here. Name equal to, since this is a string variable, we can use plus sign, name. Age plus sign, enter age. GPA plus sign, GPA. December.com. Now see, if you run this code, enter your name, Khairul Alam, enter your age 45, enter your GPA 3.63. Name Khairul Alam, age 45, GPA 3.63. So this is the way, this is the code for getting user input and apply it in code. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll learn in next video.